So this morning, Michael and I decided we were going to have a cuddle day and just take the day off. And that lasted for, what do you think, honey? 20 minutes?
Yeah.
And then we decided we're going to remodel our trailer. We ripped out the dinette. Totally ripped it out. Yeah. And then we cut our couch up to get it out the door. Well, check that out. Yeah. Oh, God. Careful. You've got your boot back. Under there now. I no longer have it. Oh, there's my blood.